At this year's Melbourne International Flower and Garden Show, they're celebrating 25 years and there's a new sustainability space. And that got me thinking, how can we help make our own gardens more sustainable? Composting is of course the best way to make use of your household food waste, coffee grounds and shredded paper. Plus, from your garden you can add lawn clippings, fallen leaves and plant trimmings. You can also reuse cardboard and newspaper as weed suppressant under mulch, and this is perfect if you're planting out a large area because it keeps the weeds under control while the new plants establish. Recycling where and when you can is also an important part of a sustainable garden. You can recycle black plastic pots by either taking them to a suitable recycling depot, or you can wash them out well and reuse them to strike cuttings, propagate seeds or grow on plants. I also love having 2 compost bins on the go. One that I'm adding to daily and a second that I'm leaving to mature. And my other hot tip, have on hand an old garbage bin that you store straw and old newspapers that add all important browns to your compost. And speaking of mulch, make sure you choose a top quality yet natural mulch. I try and stay well clear of those chunky, artificially dyed mulches. Instead, go for a straw mulch, a bush mulch, or tree pruners mulch that will break down over time and improve soil biology. And don't forget about upcycling in your garden. There's so many creative and fun ways to turn old planters into new creations. So add a little bit of spice to your garden with sustainability.